Good evening, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So I have a huge Dollar Tree haul. So I'm going to share with you guys everything that I picked up at my local Dollar Tree haul. When I say I have a huge Dollar Tree haul, I spent $78 at the Dollar Tree. Like, this is a huge, huge haul. So before I get into that, I want to give a big thank you to Paula from Lynchburg, Virginia. Paula so generously donated $50 to my stocking drive. So thank you so much, Paula, for sending that donation over to me, as well as all the coupons that you sent over to me. Thank you so much, Paula, for sending that generous donation. So I'm gonna hop into the first batch of things that I was able to pick up. So I didn't want to wipe the Dollar Tree out of stockings, so I got roughly around 30 of them. So I got this snowman one. I also got this other snowman one. So I'm just going to share with you guys like the different prints that I picked up. And then I picked up this Santa Claus. And then I picked up this red snowflake one. And then another snowman one. But I have a huge stack of stockings thanks to Paula. So thank you so much again for sending that donation over to me. It was so incredibly sweet. So we have a ton of stockings for our stocking project. So excited about that. And then I needed to pick up some platters. So I have Friendsgiving going on this weekend over at my house. So I just picked up 3 of the Thanksgiving platters. So I picked those up. And then I also picked up some fall colored napkins. So I picked 2 of these up. And then I picked up some coloring books. So the kids that are coming over will have something to do. So I picked up 4 Christmas coloring books. So this one is called Holiday Playtime. The next one is Santa's Snow Day. And then I picked up a Disney Princess and also a Mickey and Friends holiday coloring book. So I got 4 coloring books. All right, so I thought that this was so stinking cute. I usually don't like the dish towels from the Dollar Tree, but I went ahead and picked these up because I thought they were really cute. So this one says Dashing Through the Snow. I got the matching oven mitt. And then I also got the matching pot holders. So I thought that this was a really cute set, and I'm really excited to hang that for Christmas time. So then I also picked up some Assured cotton rounds. I'm almost out, and these are fantastic. And then I picked up this little tote bag. It is a cat tote bag. So my mother-in-law's birthday is coming up, and I love to gift things in these tote bags. So she loves cats. She has a cat, so I thought her gift should go in a cat tote bag. So it just makes sense to do that. So then the next thing I did is I picked up some notebooks. So I only found 7 of them. So I need your guys' help. So my stocking drive, like I mentioned, I'm going to be donating all the stockings, dropping them off December 1st. I could only find 7 of these. So if you are, going to the Dollar Tree and you find these notebooks, send them over my way, because I want to put a notebook in every woman's stocking for journaling. So I found 7 of them. So it says, strong is the new pretty. And I just think that that is such a positive affirmation for these women to have. So I thought this was really fun and special for the women in their stockings. So I picked 7 of them up because that's all I could find. So if you find some of those, please send them my way. So I picked up more of these snap clips. So if you guys haven't watched my hair tutorial on how I am curling my hair these days, I'm gonna link it below, because these snap clips have absolutely saved my life, but I didn't have enough of them to do my whole entire head. So I needed to get a few other ones. All right, so then I got some tablecloths for Friendsgiving. So it's just the pumpkin, and it matches my platter, so I got that. And then I also picked up another cotton round package, because I go through these so much, and Scarlett wants me to paint her nails, so I need some more for that. And then I also have a 2-pack of Scott tape with, Christmas gifts coming about. I need to make sure I have enough tape. And then I picked up these little stickers. I'm going to share with you guys why I need these in a minute. And then I picked up this desk calendar right here. So I actually got a new desk for myself for working. So I like having like a big calendar that I can just write on, and then if my mom needs to write something important down for me, or my mother-in-law, they can just come to this big calendar and write it down so I don't forget. And then I picked up these cookie boxes, and I think that these are really fun to have. So I got the Christmas plaid, and then I got the snowflakes. So you could use these for cookies, but you can also use these as like Thanksgiving to go like boxes. Maybe someone who's coming would like to take some food home. So I think that those are a fun like box to have for leftovers, or even for Christmas as well. So then I picked up some gift bags. So I lead a small group over at my church. So I wanted to make a little a small gift up for the ladies that are at my table. So I have these bags. I'm gonna put their name on the bag. And then I got each of them a notebook. So I have a notebook right here, and then I'm gonna give them each some gel pens. And my hope for them is when we're in the session break, so we do a break until January, so we end in 2 weeks, so then we are gonna have a break. So my hope for them is that they will use this time to Bible journal and have like a prayer journal. So that is my hope for that gift. So I'm cheesy, I know, but I really wanted to gift them something because they are amazing ladies. So I also picked up some paper plates for Friendsgiving, and I also got some plastic silverware, and I also picked up some more notebooks because I have 7 women at my table. So I wanted to make sure I had enough for everyone. And then I wanted to make sure I picked up enough of these gel pens. So I have 2 packs, and then you guys had mentioned you guys wanted these. So I'm gonna stick this in my holiday giveaway. So I picked a pack up for you guys. And then I just picked up a note card pack to go ahead and put in the ladies' bag. And I wanna personalize the card and not just do like a standard, you know, thanks for being at my table. Like I want to take the time to sit down and, you know, tailor the card to each woman, because we're all different, and I want to make sure that I take the time to really, you know, write a thoughtful note in there. So I'm really excited about that. So this is everything that I got from my Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be going back to get 20 more stockings, but I didn't want to wipe the Dollar Tree out with all the stockings because I would feel terrible if I like took all the stock. So I didn't want to do that. So I'm going to go back to get 10 more. And I know a few of you guys had mentioned you guys were going to be mailing some to my P.O. box as well. So I have tons of stuff to go around. So if you are in transit sending a stocking, that is amazing. But I really am in need of those notebooks. If you guys see any of those notebooks, you want to pick up a few and send to my P.O. box, that would be amazing. So another big thank you to Paula from Lynchburg, Virginia for sending that donation over. That was so incredibly sweet and generous, and thank you so, so much. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all later. And in the comment section below, let me know, do you want to see a Dollar Tree holiday DIY, like holiday decor? Let me know, because I've posted the videos and you guys really don't like them in terms of like the view count. My analytics tells me what you guys like and what you guys don't like. So if you guys want me to do that DIY video, I'll do it if there's enough interest, but I'm not, because if there's not enough interest, I'm not going to do it, because DIY videos take a long time to do, you guys. So I'm not going to do it if you guys don't, you know, want to see it. So let me know, and that's all I have for you guys. So have a fantastic day. Bye, guys.